introduction myself. My name is Wahida Alera Madina and my friend
Anggreni Priyanto.
we will like to convey the dialogue. Do we have country on this good concise we will discussion.
Asking the location to the Indonesian Museum by train.
Excuse me, can you help me where the museum in location?
Of course, what is the name of the museum you are visiting?
That is the Bank Indonesia Museum.
I think I know where that location is.
Is that location far from here?
No, not really. Do you want to take the train to get there?
Yes, I use the train to get here.
Actually, only about 1 horse. However, from Bekasi, you have to transit first at Manggarai station and then take the final destination to Jakarta Kota.
If possible, transit at Oden, then Manggarai station.
Even it's just easier at Manggarai station.
From the exit of Jakarta Kota station, which way to go to train?
Exit was Jakarta Kota to the Bank Indonesian Museum is only 100 meters away and can be reached on foot about 10 minutes. From Jakarta Kota station, head to the exit and then to the lift. From there, you can see the Bank Indonesian Museum building.
Thank you very much, and can you help me?
No problem. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Wahida Alera Madina. Today I will presenting about infinitive. We will discussion why this topic in from Menden and how it effective use is our daily life. English Project 2 Presentation Infinitive. Infinitive adalah base from atau bentuk dasar kata kerja yang terdiri dari to plus kata kerja. Contoh infinitif adalah to write, to run, to read. Even talk in context and verb, the infinitive cannot function as are verb apart from them. The infinitive from never can's. This is country differentive, the differentive from the first used in the sixth English tense of passive voice. In a sentence, the infinitive can act as a subject, direction object, subject complement, and adjective or adverb. Tips of infinitive. Tips infinitive terdiri dari 3. Yang pertama, bare infinitive. Dan example of sentence-nya, there might to be are better count of action. Yang kedua, full infinitive. I am glad to see you again. Yang ketiga, split infinitive. To properly prepare for my presentation, I must rush. But side of the belt. Bare infinitive. Bare infinitive adalah jenis komplement kata kerja yang tidak diketahui dengan partikel to. Jenis familiar juga dengan sebutan the zero infinitive. Biasanya, bare infinitive digunakan dalam sebuah kalimat dengan kata tertentu, yaitu yang pertama, modal first is part of the auxiliary first with function as an auxiliary verb to sentence whether I center initially, abruptly, possibly, promotion, or even prohibition. So, example for modal include can, call, might, must, shall, will, and would. So, modal can be combined with the bare infinitive to express I mood the use the speaker condition. Apart from then, the combination of modal and bare infinitive can function to reply the main verb in a sentence. Example of our bare infinitive sentence. There might to be I better plan for our marketing strength. Kelas 2, special case. Untuk kata kerja beat, land, watch, see, make, help, and hair, mereka dapat diposisikan sebagai bare infinitive yang digabungkan dengan infinitive lainnya. Aturan ini berlaku juga untuk had better dan had rather. Artinya, kamu bisa membuat sebuah kalimat dengan struktur subjek atau modal atau let atau lainnya seperti watch, see, make, help, hair, had better, had rather, plus bare infinitive lainnya. Contoh kalimat: the whole G20 participle hair to sing the Indonesian national anthem. Seluruh peserta G20 menyanyikan lagu kebangsaan Indonesia. Kata kerja there dan need dapat mengambil bentuk bare infinitive dalam keadaan tertentu. Contoh kalimatnya: how dare you end this relation? Tanda tanya. Need I to ask why you hurt me? Artinya yang berarti, beraninya kamu mengakhiri hubungan ini? Perlukah aku bertanya mengapa kamu menyakitiku? Selanjutnya, full infinitive. I full infinitive is I infinitive that has to add to the form. Yet, this is the type of infinitive that we discussion from the start. Remember, when you use the full infinitive, the two participle is include as verb, not as a professionally. Some punctuation of the full infinitive are as follow. I, state, I, goal or answer, and why, question. Example of sentence: Nanda went to her friend house to play computer games. Yang artinya Nanda pergi ke rumah temannya untuk bermain game komputer. B. The full infinitive is used after certain verbs that fall into the category thinking, feeling, and seeing. Example-nya, I am sad to leave you again. Itu menunjukkan keadaan sedih. Yang ketiga, split infinitive. Split infinitive adalah sebuah kondisi ketika terdapat frasa yang memisahkan antara to dan infinitif. Some grammar experts sense that this type to infinitive in imprimatur and should avoid when writing for us officially text. Example of sentence: at the apex of its ascent, the falcon stopped to swiftly and steadily dive at its perry. Di puncak pendakian elang berhenti dengan cepat dan tiba-tiba menukik ke arah mangsanya. Padahal secara grammar akan lebih baik ditulis seperti yang ada di bawah ini. At the apex of its ascent, the falcon stopped to dive swiftly and steadily at its perry, yang berarti di puncak pendakian elang berhenti untuk menukik dengan cepat dan tiba-tiba ke arah mangsanya. Last, infinitive intention terbagi menjadi 3. Yang 1, infinitive as now. Example-nya, I like to read, I bought land. 2, infinitive as adjective. Example, phrase need I left to read 1. Infinitive as a verb. Example, this dress in too small the weird. Infinitive function. Infinitive as now yaitu kata benda. Do you still remember material about now? Yep, now is shrimp for everything. Include hummus. That include animal, plants, planets, even talk, complete, then talks. When the infinitive is used as I subject or direction object in I sentence, it acts I nouns. 2, infinitive adjective. Adjective are words the function to add information for nouns. So when the infinitive is used as adjective in modifies of explain the noun. 2, adverbs are used of qualifier verbs. Not only adverb can also modify atau give further explanation of other adjective and adverbs. When is the to infinitive use? Last one, conveying the purpose of an action. Purpose of action. 2, plus the subject of sentence, direction object. 3, infinitive as I direction object in I sentence. 4, infinitive berperan sebagai subjek pelengkap atau komplement subjek. 6, infinitive comes after an adjective. Use after an adjective in the form of a noun or pronoun that refer to someone. 7, use with occasion word. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.